Hi, welcome. We're going to install Minecraft, and I'm not using NeoFetch now, but this is ScreenFetch. This is my system, XFC OpenBox 3, the flagship, with a lot of applications more that we can just install out of the box in Calamares. Minecraft is the title, but Minecraft is not present. So where should I get it? I can get it in Ctrl-Alt-P, and that's a shortcut for PAMAC. Take a look at the repositories, because a lot has changed. It's March the 20th, and in mid-April we'll release ArcoLinux D. And the D version will have a lot of new stuff that you can check out and install out of the box. So in Calamares you can say, install me this. Now, it's okay if you install it like this, but you know me, Ctrl-Alt-T. I want to teach that this is possible as well. So Minecraft is enough. One of the two, I mean, they're all the same. This is a GUI, and it's going to do this in a terminal, right? So it's all good, but you should install it. So that's the idea. To install it, I'm gonna cancel it, and cancel it again, and cancel it again, because I had a second thought. I want you to see very clearly when I click this button, a lot of questions are coming up. Which one do you want? So there are different kind of versions of Java, and the 10 and the 11 and the 7 and the 8 and then the last one. So if you don't know, just enter. That means default is 1. So it only matters if you are into Minecrafting, but then you probably know that some of these modules, or how they call it again, these landscapes, these worlds, and all the mods that come with it, they require sometimes a kind of version. Not up, well, until 10 it works, or until 8 it works, and so on. But I'm just gonna press here number 1. So this is coming in, that's coming in, that's coming in, that's coming in, because of the fact that we want to have this one. And that's all you need to do, and then your Minecraft installation is installed and will work just nicely. So Minecraft launcher. Now I need to log in. There's a new version of launcher available. Please click here. Never mind, I'll check it out later if that's true or not. What you need to do is get your email in. That's something you've done, right? I can continue without login. I could try that, but I can't play, I suppose, right? So I can check out the things in here, the skins, patches, and all that. Some news, dungeons. But basically, I need to log in so I can be able to actually play on the servers and maybe even host your own server. I think I've explained that as well in the video. I'm not sure anymore. But I have a son here who just plays these Minecraft things, and it's, well, easy peasy. Once you got it figured out, of course. It's always the same. It's always a little bit technical. But in this case, it's just an email and a login away. Let's do that, right? All right, I just logged in, and I can play here. That's the button. Latest release 1.15.2. We're downloading a bit. And I suppose I gave it a name at some point in time. The Molten Dragon. Jesus. People who know me know that I'm not a gamer, but of course you support your sons in it. I think I became sick around when they were around 14, 15 years old. Playing a quarter of an hour with a fast moving screen just made me, well, not throw up, but uneasy. So we're downloading this thing. There it is. We're online. We are having our little world here. Skin settings, video settings. You can make it a little bit bigger, full screen. It says is currently, but I think I should set it somewhere. Some music, some controls. I'm not gonna go into that. It's just a test, right? So this is my test world. Create new world, game mode, survival, hardcore, creative, survival, hardcore, of course. And then we're going to create, make this a little bit bigger. That's always takes a little bit of time to create a complete world. 7 days, I think, yeah. Oh, done. And then it's the Z to move forwards. Let's take a look around. Nice. Okay, beautiful. Okay, jump with spacebar. Let's go for a swim. Pew. So the Q, in my case, Z, Q, and D, I think. Q, D, Z, and S is back up. And let's go. Okay, now I'm swimming. I don't know if you heard the sound of me splashing in the water. I just need to press space, I think, to keep adrift and to jump up somewhere. And I can hit some stuff, destroy the tree, hold down left button. That goes a little bit faster. And that's what I see my sons do all the time. And this is actually a big Lego box. All blocks and all things to do, things to gather, iron to make, fire to make, stuff to do. So that's your Minecraft. How easy it is these days to just install it and play it. Have fun.